In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an Amex gift card on Walmart. If you've ever received an Amex gift card and wondered how to utilize it for your online shopping at Walmart, you're in the right place. We'll guide you step by step through the process, ensuring you can effortlessly add that gift card to your payment methods and complete your purchases with ease. To get started, head over to walmart.com in your preferred web browser. Once you're on the Walmart homepage, look towards the top right corner and you'll find a link labeled Account. Hover over this and a drop-down menu will appear, providing you with various options. Click on Payment Methods to proceed to the next step. Once you're in the Payment Methods section, you'll need to manage your forms of payment. In this section, look for an option where you can select your account details. Click on Wallet, which will bring you to a hub of your stored payment methods. It's here that you can add a new payment method. To add your Amex gift card, look for the Add New Payment Method button. Clicking on this will give you a few options to choose from. Among these, you should select Gift Card, which will open up a form for you to enter the relevant details of your Amex gift card. Now on your Amex gift card, you'll find the information needed to complete this process. First, enter the card number, which you'll find prominently displayed on the front of your card. Once you've entered the number, proceed to fill in the expiration date, also found on the card. Finally, don't forget the 4-digit security code, which is crucial for verifying your card. This code is usually located on the front of your card as well, sometimes in a smaller font. Once you have entered all these details accurately, you can proceed to the next step. With your gift card now added to your wallet, you're all set to use it during checkout. Navigate back to the main Walmart page and select the items you wish to purchase. When you're ready to finalize your order, head over to the checkout page. Here, you have the chance to review your selected items and apply any coupons if you have them. Next, under the payment method options, you will now find your Amex gift card listed. Select it as the payment method you wish to use for this purchase. Double check that all details are correct to avoid any issues with processing the payment. And there you have it. Once you complete this transaction, your Amex gift card will be used to pay for your purchase. It's a straightforward process, and now you're ready to enjoy your shopping with the gift card with confidence at Walmart. Thanks for following along and happy shopping.